This course is broken down into multiple sections. We'll first learn how to navigate around the interface, and in the next section we'll begin setting up our project. Next, we will be adding content into our artboards, and then we'll complete the design using the skills that we've learned in previous sections. After the design is complete, we'll move on to prototyping and sharing our design, and I'll end off with some resources that you can use to continue learning and designing with Figma. This course is designed to walk you through designing a recipe app from scratch, but if you ever want to jump into future videos in the course, there are exercise files included to start wherever you'd like. As we go through the videos in this course, I may introduce certain files that we want to start out with, and you can download these exercise files in Udemy. If you're watching this in Udemy, you can click this menu button to open up the course sections, and this is where you will download the exercise files to follow along. This is what the exercise files folder looks like, and you can see to the very left we have an assets folder. If we double click inside of here, this is where we're going to see all of our images, some text files, and these are things that we're going to import into our projects. But if you're following along in specific chapters, I may introduce a new file at the beginning of the video in the bottom left corner. And if you follow that path, you can click inside of the folder, and this is where the Figma files are going to live if you want to start off with the same file I'm using in the video. Now, once we begin designing the recipe app, you will be able to start your own file and follow along with me without having to download each file for each video. If you do skip some videos, however, I recommend that you start with the latest file inside of one of these folders as you work through the design with me in the video.